clips, we're going to talk about the proper way to perform a 5-wheel tire rotation. In this clip, I'm going to talk about the proper jack location and jack stand location in order to get the front wheel off the ground for our 5-tire rotation. Pretty much what I'm going to do is slip my floor jack underneath the vehicle's suspension control arm. That is this component right here. You see that? That's your control arm mounting bolt. This is the A-arm right here. I'm going to want to grab a hold right here by this lip. Go ahead and adjust my jack up by hand. Once I got a good bite on it, it's okay to go ahead and slip my handle in. Now, depending upon the size of your jack stands, you may have to go a little higher in the front than you did in the rear. Take a look and see if this guy fits yet. This is our control arm mounting bolt, which is going to indicate the beginning of our control arm. That is this stamped piece of metal here, and it runs all the way out to the lower ball joint. We're going to jack that up and slip our jack stand underneath it in approximately this location. Depending on the size of your jack stands, you may have to go pretty high. I have very heavy duty 6-ton floor jack or jack stands. So you are going to have to get it up a little bit in order to get it to fit. Okay, once you have your jack stand set, it's okay to go ahead and release the pressure on your floor jack.